In a blender, add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream and 1 ounce of Bailey's strawberries and cream, and blend until smooth. Then pour this into a chilled cocktail glass. In a cocktail shaker with ice, add 2 ounces of fresh strawberry puree and 1 ounce of whipped cream vodka. Shake until chilled, then pour this on top of the Bailey's and ice cream mixture. Leave the layers for a parfait effect, then garnish with whipped cream and some dried strawberry bits. Add a short straw, and you're ready to serve the Strawberry Parfait Martini from MartiniDiva.com. Enjoy, and cheers, my dears.